Twitch has updated its account settings so streamers can get rid of Amazon training generative AI models on their content. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Some may not have realized the setting was automatically enabled on their account, which is not ideal for any platform to do, but at least they can now tell Amazon to back off if they're anti-gen AI or they don't want to let the company exploit their labor. A support page notes that if a streamer opts out their streams and on-demand versions of those clips, stream chats, and any other text and images on their channel and won't be fed into Amazon's models in the near future. Twitch says the purpose of these models is to generate or synthesize text, audio, images, or video. Streamers' content may still be used for other AI or machine learning powered purposes, including automated captions. Twitch notes that its AutoMod tool doesn't retain users' data or tap into that to generate any material. It added that some of the AI functions help protect the whole community, and turning those off for one person would weaken safety and security for everyone else on the platform, so they're not individual settings. If you're a streamer and want to opt out of Amazon eating up your content and digesting it into energy for its Gen AI models, you just have to visit your Twitch settings. You'll see a training for generative AI toggle you can disable. This will also explain that Twitch and Amazon can still use your channel's content for other AI-powered features. If you take part in another streamer's chat, their settings will dictate whether what you post there is used for Gen AI training. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.